Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Mama June star Pumpkin has ended up becoming one of the most controversial stars in the last few months. She has ended up receiving backlash for numerous things, and viewers are wondering what actually happened to her. Lately, there have been several instances when viewers slammed Lauren Afford for begging virtually. Amid all this, fans were in shock when Pumpkin recently flaunted Josh's brand new $37,000 truck on social media. Now, they are curious to know how the couple is earning and how they are even able to afford this expensive vehicle. What are they up to now? Mama June star Pumpkin's husband Josh is a mechanic. He has worked with some ventures like Fun Factory and Southern RV. Yet, the celeb has always been open about her financial struggles with her viewers. Recently, she even added her Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App during a live session. Lauren stated that her fans can help her by sending formulas and diapers as well. Moreover, Lauren confessed that her car was also allegedly repossessed because they couldn't pay the installments. Amid all this, viewers were in shock when they saw her flaunting a brand new expensive truck. Lauren recently went live on TikTok and talked about her routine. She stated that she was already ready and had gotten Ella to school. The celeb further added, "Now we're getting Dada's new truck and oil change." Pumpkin then gave a quick sneak peek of Josh's new expensive Ram truck. She admitted that she was really proud of her husband. Though she didn't reveal the actual price, Mio disclosed that it was around $37,905. This news came after Lauren had previously claimed that her husband is allegedly jobless, and they were struggling financially these days. So, from where is the money coming in these days? There have been endless instances when Pumpkin has talked about her money problems with her viewers. She claimed that she wasn't even able to afford basic necessities and was struggling really badly. The celeb even used to attach Cash App links during her live sessions while fans were supporting her. But after Lauren showed off her brand new vehicle, viewers started to wonder from where the money was coming in. Apparently, the first and foremost source of income could be their family show, Mama June. Well, Pumpkin's actual pay scale is unknown. However, she is a lead star of a TV show, so she's probably getting a hefty paycheck from the producers. Pumpkin has a fanbasis account in which she is charging her viewers to do stuff. She gives an Instagram follow back for $15, while parenting tips would also cost $15 each. The celeb also offers personalized video messages for $30. Moreover, Lauren is encashing her stardom and has become an influencer now. She ties up with ventures and promotes products on social media. Hence, it seems that the celeb is actually earning more than her fans can even think of. Keep coming back to Mama June 24 for all the latest Mama June tea.